I'm Chris with Carnival Cruise Line, and this is episode 262 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. John Heald, Carnival Cruise Line's brand ambassador, posts on his Facebook page where you can ask him questions. He answers the questions. We read the questions and the answers, and we take the cool, the funny, the weird, the lies, the myths, and we put them here for you. So on today's episode, we're talking about, I'm on a back-to-back. Can I go to my car after the first leg? Can I bring my own pillows from home? Does Carnival still have Ducky? I think it's his name. The duck mascot. Can I bring my rechargeable neck fan? And at the steakhouse, can I get more than one appetizer?
And this is straight from the Yak's mouth.
All right, question one. This cruiser is going on a back-to-back on the Carnival Elation and wanted to know if they will be able to get off the ship after the first leg and go to their car when they return to port. John said, yes, you can. But make sure you give yourself enough time to get back on the ship because you're going to have to go through the embarkation process again. It's kind of like at an airport. If you step outside, you step back, you got to go through all the security again. But why would you want to go to your car? Maybe they stashed a nice second bottle of wine. Never know. Question two. This cruiser wanted to know if they are allowed to bring their own pillow from home, and if so, does it need to be packed in the regular luggage or on the carry-on or in the carry-on? John said, of course you can bring your own pillow and you can put it in either your suitcase or your carry-on. So if you like a certain pillow, even though I really like the Carnival pillows, we've actually purchased them and we have them at the house. They are nice. But if you like to bring your own pillow, you most certainly can. Speaking of like, if you like what you see and you enjoy cruising content, please like and subscribe. We would greatly appreciate that. Question three. This cruiser wanted to know if Carnival still has the duck mascot, and if so, what ship is it on? John said the duck mascot is on every ship. Our last two cruises, we have not seen him. So maybe they're out at certain times and certain places, but we've definitely seen Ducky walking around, but the last two cruises, no duck. So what the duck? Question four. This cruiser wanted to know if rechargeable neck fans are allowed on board. John said, yes they are, and they are absolutely fabulous. I can tell you when we're doing the Caribbean ones in the summer, even sometimes not really the summer because the Caribbean can get warm, we bring those. They definitely help when you're walking around. The ports are hot, the piers are long, and it'll actually keep you cool. So yes, you most certainly can bring them. Don't forget to bring the charger. Last question. This cruiser is going to eat at the steakhouse for the first time, and they wanted to know if they can order multiple appetizers because there's several that they would like to try. John said, no, it's just one appetizer per person. He then said that there is a small fee to order a second one. I don't know. Have you guys experienced that? Because we haven't. We normally order a couple appetizers each because they are so delicious and they're super small. But yeah, no. Have you gotten more than one and had to pay for it? We haven't. That's been episode 262 of Yakety-Yak, straight from the Yak's mouth. Thanks for watching. Please take care.